thing with the bandana. You know, I know this is like floating a bit in the air, like up here, and you know, gravity should be pushing it down, but you know, just for animation's sake, we'll just have it up here. Same thing. What we'll do here, we'll select all these. That's it. And then the end, we'll just delete the end. Keyframe that at the end, go here in the middle, and just, where is it? Okay, let's do this one first. We'll rotate this up, and we'll rotate this up as well, right? And now we'll just get all these. Actually, what I should have done is I should have selected all of these anyway. Like this would have been the same thing actually, but never mind. Okay, or would it? Let's see. No, it wouldn't. See? Okay, we'll select all of these and just bring it up, and then we'll select all of these and then we'll bring that up. Okay, and the same thing applies. Yeah, we'll just get this one. So we'll come here. So as you've seen me do it before, it's all cycled. We'll just offset 1, offset 1, 2, offset 1, 2, 3, and offset this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you can just come in and see the kind of degrees. So if you want it to go down more, or this way, or you could even come in straight ahead and be like, all right, I want to rotate it a bit first, let it drag, and then delete this. So you've got a bit of a drag there, and then you can use the last one. You can delete that key and go straight ahead and be like, all right. But you don't want to key at the start. You want to start key here, where you've moved the keyframe. Then you come here. And then key within this, not outside the cycle. Okay, that's intersecting. So what I can do is, where it's intersecting, I just, where it's intersecting, I'll just move it up. Yeah, so you're getting a little bit of a, and then maybe this one you can see how this is. Or maybe that way. Yeah, something like that. So you're getting that kind of, and same on the other side. 1, no, 1, then the second one, we're going to move this another 1, 1, so this is going to be 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the last one is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that doesn't seem too bad, but it can still be a bit delayed. So we could even delay this more. So let's move this by 1, and then let's move the last one by another 1. Yeah, and then what you can do is, that last one, normally what I do with the last one is I delete that middle frame, and I'm like, all right, What about if the start frame was in a bit? Well, I shouldn't do that actually. So let's say here it's going down still. No, actually that will be going up. So there, we come here and we just bring it up a bit. And then we can bring the last two down a little. There you go. Now look at that. That's what you're trying to get. So just be going back and forth, right? And getting it. So if you look now, that's the wave. See that? That's the kind of wave effect you want, man. That's what I'm talking. This one hasn't got it as much, so I can work on that. But look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's the wave effect you want. And then that comes with, so check it, lad. Let's do it on this one. So maybe we offset this. And then what we'll do here, we can so let's see this. So if we delete that, and this one, so I reckon if we just move this down a bit, yeah. So if we move this down a bit, so when we come up, yeah, that's getting there. It's getting it. But this one, that's what we want. And then we just offset them both. So if we look at this now, that's got kind of a atmospheric feel to it. And then, yeah, you're just polishing a little bit like that. That's all you're doing. And then you can play around with the timing a bit if you want. I mean, you know, looking at this, I probably would add rotation here going up. Oh, sorry, this one going up. Let's see, or down, sorry. Yeah, so more down. Maybe tone it a little bit. I might add a little bit more rotation on this forearm too. So here I'll just go into the curve editor and I'm just playing around with this. Just very subtle, just to give it. But yeah, and then you can polish more if you want, but that's perfectly fine. In the hips, you can go this way as well. If you want, you can animate like that way. But all in all, that's how you animate an idol, a breathing idol, right? I thought we'd just do Ryu one because it's fun, Street Fighter one. All right, guys. And the other thing we need to do, which I've been mentioning in all the little video courses I'm doing, is always check your tangents. Okay, so we come here, we're looking at these tangents. Matching. Everything has to match. Match. Just clean this up if you want to. Okay, that's fine. Then we go to the rotations. That's fine. We know that those are ease in, ease outs. Ease in, ease outs there. That's fine. Tangents are fine there. Tangents are going to be fine on here as well because we know. That's just how we do it. You know? Tangents are fine on here. Yeah. These will be fine. You know, the rotations are normally all right. These ones. They're fine on here. Just check these. These look all right. This one. See, these are translations. So make sure that they're all matching because that will make your cycle seamless. It's a must, you know, because when you don't do this, and in the gaming industry you don't do it, and you're running, characters running, you will feel that glitch all the time. Glitch, glitch, glitch. Okay, that's fine. That works. That's it. That's it. So it's all working. And that's why it's seamlessly cycling there. Yeah? And that's how you do an idle. All right, guys? See you in the next video.